Don't mind me. Just having a bit of a sit down. Shit.
Oh, heavens.
Happiness is a choice. Jesus. Oh my God. Isn't that Colonel Lawrence's house? He was the hero of Ramsgate, wasn't he? How do you think I used to run the 100 metres? I wish I kept in shape. Oof. Good Christ.
Next time, stop after the first. You might want to see a doctor about that.
I can't keep taking joy like this.
Ow! What the hell?
I know they did. We only want to help you feel better. I've got better things to do. That's them. There's them.
It's not personal. Sweet dreams, Arthur.
Then in a proper master bedroom. And quite frankly, even if you did snore, if he's taking his joy, then he should sleep soundly regardless. Just make sure he falls asleep before you do, and you both should be fine. Thank you for writing, Emily, and do keep me posted about your progress. Progress.
I could take these all the time and I wouldn't have any worries.
I'm sorry. Get I read, will you? Let's take a look at another one, shall we?
I can't keep doing this.
Lovely day for it. May I see your letter of transit, please? Welcome to the parade, sir. And may I say you've arrived not a moment too soon.
What do you mean, Constable?
A word to the efficient is sufficient, sir. If you catch my drift. I would not count on this bridge remaining operational in the near future. Nudge, nudge, smirk, smirk. Say no more, say no more.
Bit late to work, are we?
I don't like trains, Arthur.
Are you joking? You love trains. Do you remember when we went to Plymouth on that train? You didn't want to get off.
That was in 1941.
Yeah, it must have been.
I don't want you to go to Germany.
You think I want to go? I don't know where we're going, I don't know what they're going to do with us there, and who knows if we're ever really coming back. But I don't have much of a bloody choice, do I?
Who would talk to me when you're gone?
Dad talks to you. Well, no, I suppose he doesn't really. Well, he does love you.
I believe you, Arthur.
He's just really rubbish at showing it.
Ah, the parade, just like I pictured it. Strange to be back here. How long ago was it I used to just trundle off to work every day, right around here? Now I just need to get into the broadcast tower so I can get into Appleholm Station and find the train tracks to the Britannia Bridge. Cheerio!
Lovely day for it.
The Fashion Institute. I bought some trousers there. Bloody expensive too. If I remember correctly, they've got a hatch in their basement. Good thing Sally taught me to be nosy. Who knows when I might need to get to a bed. I should see if I can get down there. I'm sorry I couldn't be at the meeting. Did I miss anything critical?
Righto.
They seem to be a lot more serious about the plague here. It must be spreading fast. Not a pleasant thought. I'm glad I'm not a bobby if that's how well they're taking care of bobby poppers these days.
Sensational! Did you hear? Mrs. Sapper found a bomb buried in her garden. Lucky it didn't blow her up.
Oh dear. Now I'm extremely glad I'm not... Oh, Bobby. Good show. I don't think I can do this as long as these poppers are popping out constables. It's sloppy of them to leave all the works exposed like that. What if someone were to have an unfortunate accident and break things?
I love a game of hide and seek.
Police force seems to be out in... force.
I'll fix you! See? That's... the last time you do that around here!
Well, that's for knocking down my blocks in kindergarten. That popper looks like it's rather well maintained. I wonder if I can change that. That was a bit naughty of me, wasn't it? Brilliant. Oh dear, I don't think that's working anymore.
Look at them!
Oh, it's better this way. Oh dear, that's not working anymore either. Things have come to a pass indeed. Well, life for noise. Papa joy. Oh, come on, you pack rat. You can't take all this with you. Snug as a bug on a drug.
You did it! You cod!
Just lie down. Well, that feels entirely too good. There. All that bother, and I don't even have
Don't
plague.
see why you can't unquarantine the pie shop. Cook is beside herself.
My dear lady, if we lift the quarantine gate on the pie shop for you, we'd have to lift every quarantine gate for anybody.
No, you wouldn't. I'm not anybody, am I?
Perish the thought, madam.
You can just do it for me.
I'm afraid we actually can't. Our quarantine control grid needs a framistat. We've ordered a new one from the Department of Scientific Research.
I'm throwing a dinner on Friday. I expect you to get your Fremy whatever and unquarantine the pie shop, or I shall have to explain to the Minister of Health why we have no pie.
Bloody hell. Oh, bloody hell.
Wondered what life will be like 20 years into the future. That would be the year 19...
I could take a few more of these and I wouldn't be a downer anymore. I'm not like these wastrels. I could just take my joy and have done.
At the Wellington Wells House of the Future, you can imagine yourself in 1984 when machines will clean your house while you nap. That'll make the wife happy, won't it? And we'll also have pills that replace food, so you'll never have to eat again.
Now, if I were a tool to disable the quarantine gates, where would I be? If it's not down here, I bet it's in that office.
Hargreaves, is the vulcanizer gas stopped? We need to adjust the flow mechanism. It's still wasting a lot of motor lean.
Not working. I better go downstairs and see what's wrong with it. Locked, of course. Can't have the staff running in and out asking questions, can we?
I'm solving a very difficult equation. Leave me in peace.
Apparently Confucius was wrong. The way in is not via the door.
Someone please send Hargreaves up here. I can't be down on the floor all the time chasing people.
How do I get up in there? That glass looks fairly solid. Might need a gun to break it. Or a cannon. There does seem to be a rather large cannon here. I'd have to rotate it, but it is on a circular platform.
Has anyone seen Hargreaves lately in the past week or so?
Hey! Up there? Really bringing me down! Why aren't you happy? I want to make you feel better! Get happy and take your medicine! Cheer up! Look at them! They've got blood all over them! Take your joy! Take your joy! Cheer up, you bastard! Wet leg! Black dog!
Can't we just agree to disagree?
My God.
What's that? Who are you? Where did you go? Downer.
What have we come to?
You won't.
Please don't struggle.
Look, I don't even want to be here.
Look at them! They've got. I won't let you bring.
Now we see the violence inherent in the system. This seems to be in operating condition. This seems to turn modeling crystals into gas. A lot of gas would charge up that cannon. I'll probably need some sort of valve handle to unblock this, I think. It's a prototype for some sort of torch you use in the kitchen? Doesn't seem to have all its bits. Wonder if I could find something around here. An electrowave stimulator. What does it do? I suppose it stimulates electrowaves. That doesn't sound right. Seems to be missing a battery. These machines don't seem to be in tip-top condition, do they? If I hadn't smoked in high school, I could carry a bit more.
A special message for Foggy Jack. Is anyone still out in the street? Well, this is a...
You can't run with all this stuff. You better throw something away before something starts chasing you. You're not a bloody mule. Pick what you can carry easily. Sorry. This could be useful. I can do with the console now.
We do have someone named Hargreaves. I haven't completely lost my mind, have I?
I need more than a breeze. I need a bloody great blast of air. How do I kick this up a notch?
Please point the stimulator away from the vulcanizer. The vulcanizer... Why is there something...
Look at him! He's covered in blood!
What am I doing?
This won't take a minute.
drop some stuff, Arthur, or it's going to be tediously slow going.
What's that? Hey, what are you doing? I know it was you. Perk up. Take it.
Do we really have to do this?
I could take these all the time and I wouldn't have any worries. Snug as a bug on a drug.
Good morning to you. Well, if you're in bed, you know what to do. Get the tea ready. On the camera.
Oh dear, I've forgotten about the headmistresses. There must be some way to put her to bed for a bit. Otherwise, how do they get close to her for maintenance and such? I don't see how they expect me to visit the shops on the other side with all these spankers and things. I almost feel unwanted. I wonder if she's powered from in here.
Look what the cat.
Now headmistress can't scold me for breaking quarantine.
You feeling alright, sir? Shape. Give me a haircut. Keep
Why
that's
are
the
we doing
guilty.
this to each other?
Right, I've had it with you. Found you. I see you. You're coming with me. Get up! You're only making it harder on yourself.
I see you!
Black dog!
You're coming with me!
Black
I'll fix I won't have it!
Can't we work something out? No?
Happy.
Remember the train, Arthur.
That feels entirely too good.